Hello and welcome to Diebold Gold Ring Tooling. My name is Hermann Diebold. I'm the owner of the company, and as the picture says, we have the passion for perfection. So you see the company buildings here and some of our products, and we want to talk about the award that we won in China, published by the publishing company Ringier. And we got this award for the JetSleeve product that we will explain later how it works. So we have won a couple of awards. The most important is the top innovator that we won in 2014 and 2017. Only 100 companies in Germany have won this award, and we are part of it. And thanks to KJ International Group, our partner in China, they helped us to apply for the award that we finally won for our JetSleeve product. And here it is, JetSleeve. JetSleeve is a tool holder with a special through coolant system, and in the front of these holders there's a sleeve, a gold ring sleeve with little bores in it, and these bores have different angles, and these different angles create float of the coolant, which creates negative pressure. So always the coolant will always stay at the cutter, no matter what RPMs the tool is running. So this works up to 50,000 RPMs with coolant or NQL or just air only. And the effect of the JetSleeve is very efficient machining. The cutter will not overrun chips, and so in total the cost saving is €1 per minute in a machining process. We have a slogan, innovation and precision. This is what we always want to achieve, to be innovative, and precision is our goal. And we make our products as good as possible and not as good as necessary. This is what divides us from many competitors. And here you can see a lot of our strong brands, and some of these holders, these tool holders, we manufacture in an accuracy run out of less than 1 micron, which is pretty outstanding for the international market. We do this in our fully air-conditioned factory, constant 21 Celsius all year, which is pretty unusual for Germany, but we have installed this system. And most of all is our CMM room, class 2, with a constant temperature of 0.2 degrees per meter. These are some of our famous customers. You can see Chopin watches and jewelry, IWC watches, or Rolex, where they have machine products, spindles that we manufacture, or tool holders. And I want to lead you to our website and to our YouTube channel, where you can find a lot of videos about these products that you have just seen, and you're most welcome to look at it and spread the news about it. Thanks very much.